Now all you gotta do is give it a little swipe and bam! Yo, what is going on, guys? Zach Tech here, coming up with a brand new video. So as you guys know, social media is on the rise and everyone wants to get famous on Instagram. So today I'm gonna be showing you one of the best ways to increase your Instagram followers. It takes up to like a minute or something. You can see my followers. I have like 1700 approximately. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going to the settings, then I'm gonna hit on privacy and security, then I'm gonna hit on account privacy, then I'm gonna just disable this private account feature. You gotta disable this private account feature if you want to gain followers, okay? In order to gain followers, it can't be private. Your account can't be private. So there's this app called Hubla Helper. I'll be providing the link down below in the description. You can download from there. Now once you're there, enter your username and password and just hit on login. Now hit on open Hublagram. Processing. So you're right there. Once again, you can see my followers 1787. Okay, 1787. I'm gonna hit on Insta follower. Now basically it says you're about to using auto follower service provided by Instagram. This service works as auto exchanging service, which means people will follow your account and you will be following to others too. Okay, if you're afraid, please go back and do not use the service, or you can use our protected account feature located under the setting. So basically what it says is once you use the service, your account will be following other people's account and it will be liking other people's posts. But to avoid this, guys, you need to enter your account username here so that your account won't be following others or it won't be liking others, but you can see it right there down below. Now I'm gonna enter my username because I don't want my profile to follow other people or like other people's stuff. Now it says this account is already added by someone else, which was probably added by me. Now go back and hit on open Hublagram again. And there you go. You can also go for Insta like or Insta commenter, but for now I'll be going for Instagram followers. Now hit on continue, okay? Submit followers. And bam, there you go, guys. Your request is submitted to our system. Do not close or log out from the application, okay? So just go back and let's see what happened. Let's see how many followers we gain right now. It's gonna take a few minutes, guys. It's gonna take up to like a minute or something. So let me just fast forward to the time I started gaining followers, because that's gonna be saving your time as well. And there you go. Let's see how many followers we gain. And bam, there you go, guys. You can see the time they started following me, because this is not a scam. I'm gonna give it a little scroll. There you go, guys, from 1700 to 2500. This is some serious shit right there. This is amazing, guys. You can see the time they started following me. This is 100% legitimate and safe. Yeah, guys, can 100% rely on this method to gain hundreds and thousands of followers. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, give it a comment, and also if you guys need Instagram followers or Twitter or anything like that, hit me up in my WhatsApp DMs. Take care. I love y'all. Take care and peace.